If you don't have friends, you're going to have some today because they're going to smell it coming from a mile away.
Call us cooking food with her crew. If you're cooking food, you know what to do.
And here is a list of ingredients you will need to get this recipe going. Go ahead and grab some garlic salt, cayenne pepper, paprika, onion powder, turmeric, ground cumin, parsley, celery salt, ground sage, thyme, garlic, Cajun seasoning, fresh ground pepper, lemon juice. One of the first items we'll need is some Argentinian red shrimp. That's my favorite to use. So make sure you clean it, devein it, and let's get to going. Next, grab about 8 cobs of corn, clean it, and later on we will cut them in half. We're going to need 1 bag of Yukon Gold potatoes. Be sure to wash them and get them ready as well. And definitely don't forget the sausage. Grab 2 to 3 links of your favorite kind. For this recipe, I'm using beef sausages, but there are many great other kinds of sausages available out there as well. And we're going to use snow crab legs for this recipe. So come on down. You already know I got 3 pounds. But what you cooking with? So here we are with our Yukon Gold potatoes. And we're cleaning them up. Then we dicing them up. We clean them up. And then we dicing them up. We changing big hunks into small chunks. Changing big hunks into small chunks. Yeah. So after thoroughly washing your potatoes, we're going to get them nice and ready for the seasoning process.
Get your pan. Grab your oil.
Avocado. Yeah, now you spoiled. Add them taters. Season it up.
With some love, sprinkle from above.
Mix it up and bake it up. Mix it up and then we bake it up.
425, that's enough. Sit back and dirty, that should be enough.
Time for us to baptize our corn in the name of olive oil, salt, pepper, and sugar. Our corn is ready to go, seasoned with love. Let's put it in the oven. Time for the sausage fun. The sausage fun. Take the ring, hold them together. I'm gonna have elongated pieces here. Look how beautiful that is. Chop those up and set them aside. You can either bake them, put them on the grill and saute them a little, give them a little sear. Throw them into your sauce once you get it cooking and get it nice and hot. It's up to you. Next we have our wild caught Argentinian red shrimp. Now these are my favorite. So let's get ready. We're going to season them up, show them some love, and get them ready to add to our boil. Once the shrimp are done cooking, go ahead and set them aside, and let's get ready to start making the crab. Now we're going to add a little bit of oil and butter to our crab before we get ready to bake them. Once the garlic and onion have sauteed for a few minutes, we will add some more ingredients. Grab some butter, paprika, salt, pepper, Cajun seasoning, and granulated onion. Add all the ingredients into one pot or your pan, whichever one you choose, and then pour the butter sauce on top. Guarantee if you don't have friends, you're going to have some today because they're going to smell it coming from a mile away. Get ready, grab your fork and spoon, grab some napkins, cheers, toast, and have a good time.